Okay, today I'm reviewing Operation Wolf on the Amiga. As you can see, I've already started the game, and as you can see, it's like a good conversion of the coin-up machine. Have some of that. So I'm actually playing this in WinUAE emulator. That's why you can see my arrow as well as the cursor under Windows. So yeah, so have some of that. So you've got to shoot all the baddies. You can. This was a light gun game as well, and I believe it was light gun in the coin-up machine. So yeah, so this is the Amiga version. I'm dead. So if I press continue to play, cut off the enemy's communications and then keep them from increasing. So yeah, so you get 6 magazines and 6 grenades, as you can see. So good luck. Now you basically got to shoot all the baddies. There's chaos. The baddies just keep working everywhere. The screen pans from right to left, and it's like you stock a child target or use your light gun to shoot them. On the right you've got how many bullets you've got and how many grenades you've got, and so it tells you how many enemies are left, 27 on foot and 3 on helicopter and 3 tanks. You've got hostages as well, and there's a damage meter right there. If that goes all the way to the top, you're dead. So this is very hard. I'm not very good at this at all. So I'm dead again. So and we keep going. So yeah, so we'll try that again, shall we? So 6 magazines, 6 grenades. Good luck. Yeah, so add some of this. Yeah, you better shoot them as well. You gotta watch out for this helicopter and this tank, and you can shoot the crates as well. And he just threw a knife at me. Ouch! That's gonna hurt. So we keep going. Yeah, there's a pig there. Don't shoot the pig. Yes, yeah, what do you want? There's a hostage going past. Yes, you don't want to kill the hostage. It wasn't a hostage, I think it was just a passerby. And we'll stall the war. Have some of this. So yeah, yeah, it's pretty accurate coin-up conversion on the old Amiga. I believe this only runs in Workbench Kickstart 1.3 or lower, so you might have to use reload kick if you've got a 500 plus or higher to get it to work. That's what I think anyway. I'm sure that's what it happened. It would have worked in 500 plus or 1200 or 600. How we keep going. Yeah, so just kill them all. The graphics very nice. Sounds average. Just a few blobs and bits and gun noises and stuff, explosion noises. No music on it. There's music on the title screen, but that wasn't in the video. So yes, Operation Wolf, I'm going to give on the Amiga a respectable 7 out of 10. Bye.